Hey, I need it now. If I ain't have it, I'ma get it. Bitch, I'm the best thing, no one could've said it. Better, posted with a scope and a long range Beretta. J's on my feet, I'm looking for a freak bitch. Dogs on my feet, I'm looking for a white bitch. Nigga, I can see you barking at the cops. Walking out your crib last day.
Yo, what is up, guys? Daniel here, and today I'm actually going to be talking about my BMW 328i. And what I'm actually going to be talking about is I've been owning this car for about a month right now, and I already have a problem. And in this video, we're actually going to be checking out that problem and actually solving the problem. So yeah, let's get into it. There is a warning light, and if we actually go into here, we can actually go and see what is actually the problem. So we just go down all the way down to here. Check control, and then you can actually see it's a left low beam malfunction. So yeah, we're actually gonna be fixing that today. So yeah, let's get into it. Is you actually turn it on to that one, and then you go outside. This is the left one. This one should be working right now, but on the right one, this one's working. So yeah, we're actually gonna be fixing that one right now. And then turn the wheel all the way to the side so you actually have room to get under there. Right here, it's just flat on the top. You actually want to go under here, and then there's plastic right here. And there's like little tabs right up there. You just stick this right in there, and then you just pull down. And then actually just put it right in here. Focus right there we go. Just put it right in there. And those are the only two tabs. So all you want to do is take this, put it in between, and pull down, and then pull like that. And these are the only two tabs. It's just a plastic trim that protects the light. Turn it, and then take it off, and it's just like that. That easy. Flip the camera right here. There's the actual light right there. And then, so the case with mine is my low beam right here has been very loose. So it's been disconnecting, connecting. It's been like turning on and turning off. While this one over here, this one is actually sturdy and it stays in place. That's why this one doesn't have a light and that one does. So yeah, hopefully we'll be making sure it keeps in place this time. Now before we actually go inside and fix it, get my handy dandy light right here, bro. This thing's actually nice. Just put on a tire right here. And it lights up the whole thing, and you actually can see everything. So guys, what I'm actually doing here is I'm actually moving this right here. You just, at least for mine was very loose, so I just put it back in place and moved it around a little bit. As you can see here, I don't know, you can probably get it at this angle, but as you can see, I'm moving the light right there, up and down. I just moved that, and then it popped back in place, and then now it's actually good to go. As you can see, it's back on, and that one's on too. So yeah, simple problem fixed. Now, obviously, you want to put your covers back on so nothing goes actually in there and ruin your lights. So I just got the cover back in, the light cover right there, the plastic piece, and now we're actually going to slide this in right here. Just tuck that in, and then push these tabs back in. That so you hear a click, and yeah, it's in. So now if we actually go back into the car right here, so yeah, it's gone. All systems are okay, everything's fixed now, and yeah, easy fix. Switch that on to automatic before we forget. And yeah, it was a pretty easy fix, and yeah. So yeah guys, that's actually gonna wrap up today's video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure to hit that like button. And also consider subscribing if you're new. I just post videos about my 2013 BMW 328i xDrive or F30. And yeah, again, I got pretty lucky with my part. How it was just coming loose. It wasn't nothing too major. Very, very easy fix. Probably took me 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. I don't know. It really easy. You really didn't need that much tools either. So yeah, again, hope you guys have enjoyed, and see y'all in the next one.